Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can fade an image in Picsart. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open the Picsart app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, import the target image on the editing canvas and all of the available tools will be displayed at the bottom. Now, you just need to get to the cutout feature and tap on the person preset. This will start the auto-selecting AI of Picsart. Once it selects the subject, make sure to refine the edges properly. After you're done, make sure to download the image. Now, access the Tools tab from the bottom and select Clone from the menu. Now, make sure to remove the subject from the image. Once you're done, tap on the Apply button at the top right corner and access the Effects feature. Inside it, make sure to select the correct blur effect and apply it. Now, scroll to the Add Photo feature and select the cutout image we just saved. Then, resize it to the whole image and tap on the Apply button to save it. So that's basically how you can fade an image in Picsart. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.